Hello dear students of class 10th. Very good morning all of you. Here we are going to start mechanical energy. In the previous video we have discussed about forms of energy. Okay? In which we have studied about different forms of energy, that is hydro energy, electric energy, mechanical energy and different forms and their conversion. Now I am taking in that forms, according to our syllabus, a new topic, that is mechanical energy. Okay? First of all, understand what is mechanical energy. Energy possessed by a body due to its shape, size, rest in position. Okay? Due to its configuration is called as potential energy. Simply, energy possessed by body due to its state of rest or motion which called mechanical energy. Okay? It is basically subdivided into two parts, that is potential energy and kinetic energy. Mechanical energy is subdivided into two parts, that is potential energy which is represented by U and kinetic energy which is represented by Ke. Okay? As you know that mechanical energy is a combination of potential energy and what? Kinetic energy. For example, if I am at rest on some position and if I am moving, it means I have two mechanical energies, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. If I am simply at rest at some height, at some edge of the surface of earth, it means I have only one mechanical energy, that is potential energy. Do you understand here? Okay, so mechanical energy have another definition. It is a sum of potential energy and kinetic energy of a body. It means mechanical energy of a body is a combination, is a sum total of potential energy and kinetic energy. Now we are moving to the next part, that is potential energy. What do you mean by potential energy? Okay? Potential energy, the energy possessed by a body at rest due to its position or size and shape. Position, size and shape. That is combinedly called as configuration. Okay? Simply you may also write the energy possessed by a body due to its configuration is called as potential energy. Okay? It is denoted by U, as I have already explained you. It is mainly of two kinds. It means potential energy divided into two parts, that is gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Gravitational potential energy, it is due to change in shape, due to change in position, due to change in position of a body. If I am here and if I am above the table, okay, then the potential energy of this body change because of its position change. Okay, that potential energy caused due to position change of a body is called as gravitational potential energy. You are on the ground and one of your friend is above on the roof of the school building on the last floor. Okay, then there is a far difference between your potential energy and your friend's potential energy. Okay, now to the point. Next, elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is due to change in shape and size. If you have an elastic rubber, you just pull it and you will leave it, it will come to its position. It is due to elastic potential energy. If I am bending this stick and I am leaving it will as it is. Okay, it is due to its elastic potential energy. If I will apply this force, this work more than its elasticity, it will never be come to its position, original position. When a body is deformed by an external force and it regains itself, it regains the shape, it is due to its elastic potential energy. Okay, when you take a elastic rubber, you just expand it. Okay, after at some limit you can extend it. Beyond this limit you will go, it will never come to its original configuration, never come to its original shape. That coming to its original shape, it is only because of elastic potential energy, which is in the matters, which is lies in the you can simply feel in the spring. Okay, spring, if you compress it or if you enlarge it, okay, you will simply feel there is an elastic potential energy in the spring, that is also called the spring potential. Okay, now I am moving to the next topic, that is gravitational potential energy. I have written it in short, GPE. G for gravitation, E for potential, and E for energy. Gravitational potential energy. First of all, understand, what do you mean by gravitational potential energy? It is the energy due to cause of force of attraction of a body, force of attraction of earth of a body. Okay, basically force of attraction of the earth is also called as weight. Okay, weight of a body. Okay, if I am leaving this, just releasing this chalk, it is just moving downward only because of force of attraction of the earth towards the center. Okay, and only because of weight of this chalk, it is moving downward. Okay, this duster is moving downward. If I am releasing only because of the weight of the duster. Okay, and the force of attraction of the earth. So gravitational potential energy in a body is due to the force of attraction of the earth. Okay, let's assume that there is an earth. Okay, and around this earth there is a limit, there is a field, there is a region in which a body will come and that will attract it towards the earth. Beyond this field, beyond the earth's gravitational field, the object will not be attracted. For example, many planets around the earth, many particles around the earth not attracted towards the earth because it is out of the field, gravitational field. Okay, that's why it is not attracted towards earth. If anything, any metals, any substance is just within the gravitational field of the earth, that will be attracted towards the center. Okay, center of the earth. And the force exerted on that body is called as attraction force, force of attraction of earth or weight of that body. Okay. So to understand it, when we move from earth to an infinity point, large distance, finite distance, okay, you will feel that force of attraction of earth will be less. When the body is moving upward, the force of attraction will decrease. When this marker is moved to the infinity, the force of attraction of earth will be valueless, will be zero. Okay, that's why there is no force of attraction at infinity point. So the potential energy of the body, gravitational potential energy of the body at infinity is zero. Okay, to understand it, basically, earth is attracting anything towards the center and you are at infinity. Okay, the definition of gravitational potential energy is here. The gravitational potential energy of a body at a point is equal to the amount of work done by the force of attraction of earth in bringing that body from infinity to that point. Okay, it is simply that when a body is at infinity, if you are just making or moving it towards the earth, okay, at some point on the earth's gravitational field, let's say that point is P, okay, in bringing from infinity to point P, required work done, okay, if the star is at infinity and I am just moving from infinity to a point P, it means that I am working. So work done by the gravitational force of attraction on this duster while it is moving towards the earth, okay, then that work done will be converted into the potential energy of that body, okay, that same work done will be only the potential energy of this body, okay. This definition is in another, it will be very easy to understand you, okay, make you understand. The gravitational potential energy of an object at a point above the ground is defined as the work done in raising it from the ground to that point against the ground. For example, if this duster is on the surface of ground, okay, and I am raising this duster to some height, okay, some height, it means I am working to just bring it above, okay. How much I have worked against the gravity, because gravity is just pulling towards the center of the earth and I am working against the gravity, okay. How much I have worked against the gravity, that will be the work that will be the potential energy of this body. How much I will work. If I have to move it more higher, I have to work more and the potential energy of that body will be more. Okay. So here is the next definition. The gravitational potential energy of an object at a point above the ground is defined as the work done in raising it from the ground to that point against the ground. Okay. For example, just here I am making it clear to the formula. Okay. It is an experiment. Just answer. Let's say there is a ground surface. From the ground surface, an object of mass n, I am just lifting it above height h. Above height h. Okay? And just this here. Okay. So the minimum amount of force required to lift it will be the weight. That force will be equal to or should be equal to the weight of the object. And we know that weight of the object is mg. So the minimum amount of force required to lift any object, it should be mg. Okay, and it should be, the force should be mg. That is equal to the weight of body. Okay. So the object gain energy equal to the work done, and we know that work done, as I am lifting the object above, means force is in upward direction and displacement is also in upward direction. So there is an angle between the force and displacement will be 0. That's why here work done will be Fs cos 0, you are leaving it, okay, so it will be Fs. So here force that I have required to lift this object is equal to weight of the object. So I have put the force mg and displacement h. So work done will be mgh. This is the work done by me against the gravity to lift this object. It is the work done by me against the gravity. Okay, and this work done will be totally become the potential energy of this object. Okay, so potential energy of this object at point P and above the H will be mgh. Do you understand here? Potential energy of this object at above height will be mgh. I hope you understand it. Okay. Now come to the next point also. Some extra thing which is not in your book, you should also learn it. Okay. Just understand it. I am doing work against the man, and from this definition it is saying that the work done by force of attraction, but the work done by force of gravity. Okay, so if I am saying that work done by force of gravity, that will be negative, because force of gravity is downward and displacement is upward. So work done will become negative because it is in 180. The angle between displacement and force of gravity, that is 180. So mg, it will become minus mg cos theta. Also minus mg h. Okay, minus mg h. Here in the second definition I am saying you defined as the work done in raising it from the ground to that point against the ground. Against means this is the work done by gravity, and this is the work done by the external force, by me. Okay, by me. That is external force. Okay. So what is the relation between potential energy and the work done? Basically by external force, okay, or by force of gravity. Okay, so simply change in potential energy, that is delta U, is equal to negative of change in work done by gravitational force. Okay, it will be an extra thing which I am adding to you all. That is some extra which I am adding to you all. Okay, if you understand very well, if you don't understand, don't mind it, because it is an extra thing. From here you will get many problems in 11th for IIT JEE. Okay, so change in potential energy is equal to negative of work done against the gravity, work done by the gravity. You may say that negative of work done by gravity, work done by gravity. This is a simple thing you should understand. Okay, now coming to point. It means here work done by gravity to the surface is the negative if you are just moving the object. Okay, work done by gravity on that object will be negative. Okay, negative. It means simply understanding force of gravity will be towards the center, and you are moving the object away from the earth. Okay, so there is an angle between force of gravity and the earth, that is 180. It means work done become negative. Work done become negative. So the potential energy of a body at infinity becomes negative, and by decreasing at infinity it becomes zero. Do you understand? By decreasing it becomes zero. I hope you all understand about this. In the next video I will make you understand about the